Understanding, get some shut-eye, demystifying English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard but found puzzling. Get some shut-eye. It's a colorful expression that can add a lively touch to your conversations. So, let's unravel its meaning together and see how you can use it in your daily English communication. The phrase, get some shut-eye, is an informal and somewhat playful way to say sleep or rest. It's not about closing your eyes for a blink, but rather about going to bed or taking a nap. The word, shut, here implies closing something tightly, and eye represents, well, your eyes. So, when you get some shut-eye, you're essentially closing your eyes to rest or sleep. While the exact origin of the phrase is a bit hazy, it's widely believed to have emerged in the early 20th century. The phrase captures the simplicity and directness of the action it describes, shutting your eyes to sleep. It's a testament to how language evolves and how playful expressions find their way into our everyday conversations. Get some shut-eye is best used in informal settings. You might say it to friends or family when you're ready to go to bed or suggest they take a nap. For instance, after a long day of work, you might text a friend, "I'm exhausted. Going to get some shut-eye. Talk to you tomorrow." Or, if you see someone struggling to stay awake, you might suggest, "You look really tired. Why don't you get some shut-eye?" It's not typically used in formal contexts, like business meetings or official documents. English is rich with idioms, and there are several other ways to express the idea of sleeping or resting. For example, hit the hay, another informal way to say you're going to sleep. Catch some Z's, referring to the sound of snoring. This is a fun way to say you're going to sleep. Feel free to use these variations to add some flavor to your conversations. Now that you're familiar with the phrase, get some shut-eye, feel free to use it to add a playful twist to your conversations about rest and relaxation. Remember, idioms like this are what make learning English fun and engaging. They add color to the language and allow you to express yourself in creative ways. Until our next language exploration, keep practicing and don't forget to get some shut-eye.